Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add cryptocurrencies to your CoinGecko portfolio. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom left corner, we can see we have markets, portfolio, we have the search, explore, and the more in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add cryptocurrencies to your CoinGecko portfolio. Of course, as you know, you have to go and create your account, sign in, go to the search bar and find the cryptocurrency that you want to add. So here you can see that you have all of them here. You can search for some if you want when you click on the search bar and search for any, for instance, BNB. There it is. You can go and search it. Then if you need to go when you search on that, go and click on, for desktop, click on the star icon to locate it on the left side of the coins page. So when you click on a coin, like this, the star, or on the mobile app, the star icon on the upper right corner, as you can see here. When you tap on it, here you can see that it will be successfully added to your portfolio. So the cryptocurrency is added. You can go and click again to unadd it from your portfolio. You can go then and click on your portfolio to view the cryptocurrency that you have put in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.